On a snowy shore where cold winds blew, a penguin was born 'neath skies so blue, with tiny wings and a heart so bright. Little Hootan dreamed of the night, Hootan, Hootan, bold and free, a little dreamer by the sea. One bright day with joy to spare, Hootan dressed with special care, a black sandal on his feet so small, a scarf, a bag, and headphones all. He marched along with a happy song, into the garden proud and strong. But little stones were hiding near, and tripped him down, oh dear, oh dear. He tumbled fast, he hit the ground, the world spun once, it twirled around. But when he rose, what did he see? Just muddy spots from head to knee. He laughed aloud, it's not so bad, a muddy coat makes me look glad. With shining eyes he skipped away, and made the garden bright that day. He hurried home, a tear in his eye, and told his mom with a little sigh. She hugged him close and softly said, with gentle hands upon his head, "My Hootan dear, don't feel upset. These little falls help you grow yet. Many will stumble time after time, but standing again is truly sublime." Her words were warm, her smile was wide, and courage bloomed deep down inside. Hootan stood tall, his fears all gone, ready to try and keep marching on.
Hootan knew it was time to be clean, the muddiest penguin the world had seen. Mama said, "Come under the shower we go, the water will sparkle, the bubbles will glow." First she washed the garden dirt off his feathers, off his shirt. The muddy spots all slid away, and Hootan began to laugh and play, and Hootan began to laugh and play. He splashed the drops with a happy cheer, the bathroom rang with music clear. Mama smiled, her heart so light, my little Hootan shines so bright. First she washed the garden dirt off his feathers, off his shirt. The muddy spots all slid away, and Hootan began to laugh and play, and Hootan began to laugh and play. Then Mama poured the shampoo in, the bubbles rose with a gentle spin. The little tub began to puff, and Hootan was covered in foamy fluff. From head to toe so white and bright, he looked like a snowball full of light. He giggled loud, "Oh look at me, I'm softer than clouds as you can see." The bubbles danced, the water gleamed, it felt like a happy, shining dream. Mama laughed, "My penguin star, you're the cutest just as you are."
The washing took a long, long while. Mama worked with a gentle smile. She scrubbed the mud, the stains, the clay, till all the dirt was washed away. The bubbles swirled, the water sang, the shower made a silver clang. At last she said, "Now look at you, so shiny, so fresh and sparkling too." Hootan laughed, his eyes so bright, he glowed like snow in morning light. All the mud was gone, oh dear, a clean little penguin, sweet and clear. The bubbles were gone with a splash and a swish, the water was clear just like a wish. Mama rinsed the soap away till Hootan was clean in every way. Then came the towels, soft and wide. She wrapped him up with love inside. She dried his feathers head to toe, so warm, so snug with a gentle glow. Hootan giggled, cozy and sweet, with fluffy towel around his feet. Mama whispered, "My darling one, bath time is over, the cleaning is done." With gentle hands and hum so low,
Mama let the warm air blow. The dryer sang a breezy tune like summer winds in the afternoon. His feathers fluffed so soft, so light, they shimmered bright in the glowing night. Then came the cream so sweet, so new, it made him smell like flowers too. She rubbed his cheeks, his little nose, his tiny wings, his penguin toes. Hootan beamed so fresh, so sweet, from head to tail he was neat, neat, neat. Hootan now felt fresh and bright, clean and light, a joyful sight. His feathers shone, his smile was wide, happiness bubbled up inside. He laughed so loud, he laughed so free, as happy as a penguin would be. So neat, so soft from head to toe, a shining star with cheeks aglow. With every giggle, every cheer, Mama's love was warm and near. Hootan chirped, oh what a day, I'm clean and happy, hip hooray.
Was done, the stars were near, the night was soft, the sky was clear. Mama said, it's time, my dear, to rest your wings, I'm always here. He whispered Smeed with a sleepy sigh, while twinkling stars sang lullabies. And in his nest so snug, so deep, Hootan drifted off to sleep. The day was done,